Hello everyone, let's gluebook. And I don't know, I named it yet? And my summer beach poolside. Let's get cool because it's hot outside. Gluebook. I don't know what to name it, but we're gonna play in here for a minute. I don't know how long I have because so a lot of times I'm just snatching time, snatching moments when I can. I have been working in it. I couldn't always work with it on camera because I lost I lost the attachment to the tripod, so I couldn't. I just had to go with the flow. So I think I'm gonna work small today and just do some index cards that were in here. Still not finished decorating a lot of this book. I'm trying to get it done before the season ends, and the season is rushing upon. I mean, I can always pick it back up next year, but I was really looking for it. I was having such a good time. It's not that large, but time does get away from you, doesn't it? And I just love beachy, summery things. Fall is my favorite. But I do love. Oh, somebody asked where did I get the starfish. It was in my stash. I have so much stuff in my stash. That's why I said use what you have. Because what really freaked me out is when I noticed that, where is it? And I have a piece of it somewhere that I wanted to put. This is from my very first video. If you go back, it's in that baby book that I have. You go back to the very first video where I was putting together a Dollar Tree. This is from it. So stuff lasts a long time. I like new things too, but use what you have as much as you can, because good grief, this seems like, and I have a channel that even though I can't upload like I want to, but your stuff, you use a piece of it and then you put it away, and next thing you know, it's 5 years later. So use what you have. So use it up. That already has something on it, so I think I'm gonna start there. I guess this isn't beachy, but I'm gonna use it. Alright. Oh boy. I don't know. The last time, I don't know which one's gonna go up first. The last time I Gluebook, I was in tremendous pain and I had to just cut off I had to cut the camera off because I was just in a lot of pain. So we'll see what we do right now. Hopefully everything will work out fine. I'm also expecting, of course, a call because, like I say, I grab time when I can. I'm looking for a little. Okay. This one is when I use the mix meter, but we're going to use it anyway because I don't want to mess up this with glue. Anyway, let's see how far we get. Because I'm not missing that call. Because I want, again, yes, my son, Instacart. For me, he's not Instacart, but he does it for me. And I tell him, I call it Instacart. I need you to Instacart. But at Trader Joe's, so I'm not missing that. I can make a mean quiche, but I don't feel like it right now. And I have a taste for there is spinach. Is it spinach? I forgot. I forgot. I'll tell you some other day. But long time ago, this quiche used to be the one I didn't like the most. And one day the quiche that I thought I liked started getting really salty. And I was like, oh, this is really salty. It's like a salt bomb. This is not going to go. But guess what? You know me. I'm going to put it down there anyway. But now, so I said, let me try the other quiche again. And it turns out the quiche that I used to not like, that you have to put in the oven and heat up your house. No, I don't have a fryer like everybody else does. Maybe one day I'll look into it, because it does heat up the house, doesn't it? Putting on the oven. What was I trying to say? What was I saying? What was I saying? I forgot. Dang. I forgot what I was saying. I forgot. I put this on the table. Look, I done left the story. Anyway, I went to quiche. Now watch they not have it, y'all. Y'all watch they not have it. I'm gonna open some of this. I haven't played with this, and yeah, if you don't have pattern paper at the ready, you know, because I use up my pattern paper for my project, but this is already cut up for you. Paper pack, $1.25. Even $1.25, this is pretty good. So I'm gonna start. Ooh, this is real pretty paper. It's like they. This is like what's the word I wanted to use? Oh. This is a lot. Let me find out. I wasn't using this. This is heavy, y'all. Don't sleep on this, y'all. Go out and get you some up. Look at this already. That's good for Halloween. I love this stuff. You know, Dollar Tree gets on my nerves with their prices. They, you know, like they calm down, Dollar Tree. They $1.25, especially in the craft department. Good grief. I mean, because why go? This is a lot of paper. This is a lot of paper for it to be, you know, especially if you don't have pattern paper. Run out and get you some of this. Oh, a lot of this. This is pretty. Wow. And see that sparkle in there? You don't have to use a sparkling medium for that. That's already in there. That's pretty. It's a little too dark for where I wanted to go for right there, but that's pretty. This too. And this is nice. I don't know. It was that pretty. You didn't know that was going to be a flip. Look how much is in here. I heard somebody say this stuff was awful. It's not. It's good quality cardstock. This is texture. And if you enjoy using texture papers and stuff, yeah, this is really pretty. It's nice. It's nice. This is good paper. This is better. This is some good pattern paper that you have to pay for. Now I wish I didn't put. Oh. No, now I wish I didn't put that up there. This is let's see where we get to. Let me be quiet. You know, I originally was going to put it there, so let me just go ahead and put it there. This is nice paper. That's a summery and fall, you know, kind of colors in there. I like that. I don't know why I put that down there. It's down there now. Ugh. All right, I like that. That's pulling the colors out. Right? Right. Right? Right. Right? I don't know. I wish I'd have used a little bit of this. And I mean, that's pretty. Look at that. That's sparkly. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I like that. Ooh. This is so thick. You have to pay good money for some of this paper at Michael's. There's a texture paper and that premium paper. This is now. This one is a little bit of a challenge to get through. Ugh, and it got stuck. Ugh. That's all right. Just pull it out and work with it. Adding in Micki over here. I should have just put the little yellow piece that you see over there instead of that piece. That's not piece isn't bad, but I wish I would have laid down the yellow piece. Really, y'all, this is bothering me back here because I really don't want to put that back there. Oof. It's okay. Usually I just put down whatever plops down and I keep going. I was going to say, right, Jenny? Some cat. One, he passed away a long time ago. But I used to always say, right, Jenny? Because he always looked like, you know, I always needed, you know, him to agree. And I still say it to this day. And I called and new cat, new 5 years. We've had it probably 5 years. And I say, right, Jenny? It's a habit now. I knew. It's alright. Not everything is gorgeous. We're gonna stop there for this one. It's okay. It's okay. It's not my favorite. Oh boy. Alright, that'll be just one. I could probably go in the book somewhere. Let's see. I'm just mad about this. It's so pretty. I don't even want to cover it up. That is pretty, but come on. You could do that again. Oh, I added the little, that's from the Dollar Tree. Oof. Y'all probably can find that now. Let's see. That'd be cute. Sitting right there. I don't want to flip too much because some of this stuff y'all haven't seen. Let's see what else we could do. Oh. Let's look at this paper. This is a pretty paper. Let's look at the Dollar Tree, see what they have in here. Maybe we could. Oh, that's a pretty piece right there. Can y'all see? Did I even turn on all the lights? That's pretty. This is more fall, but this is nice. Dollar Tree keep cutting up this premium paper. You know, that will cost a mint at the, look at that. That's nice. That is really nice. And this is what this paper packet cracker square. This is a lot of paper too. Look at that already marked. This is nice. Oh, and he snuck a piece of kind of wallpaper-ish. Look at paper in there. A treasure trove of paper. I'm gonna keep this on my desk so I could reach into it. Don't sleep on this paper, y'all. But it leans more fall, let's just say. I don't know what the other says. Oh, gosh, y'all. I'm not missing that. I'll come back.